Our plant for the production of pharmaceutical powders in Kaliningrad has been on the pharmaceutical market for more than 10 years. We use various pharmaceutical equipment that meets the requirements and standards of GMP for production, a unit for dehydration of aqueous solutions, and extracts in a fluidized bed apparatus, rotary tablet machines, an automatic line for packaging tablets into plastic film, and foil and other high-tech machines and apparatuses. Last year our company started production of vitamins in tablets. At the first stages of launching the equipment, we faced the problem of cleaning and polishing the finished product. The problem was the following. In the process of pressing the tablet, as well as its subsequent movement from the matrix into the storage container, the tablet comes into contact with the remains of the powder. As a result, a dusty film is formed on the surface of the tablet. This dust makes it difficult for the blistering and filling machine to operate, and the dusty tablets are difficult to coat. The solution to remove dust from tablets was suggested to me by my colleague, chief engineer, who has long been involved in the production of medicines in tablets. He suggested buying equipment for cleaning and polishing tablets. I needed a modern dedusting and polishing machine with a capacity of at least 400,000 tablets per hour. I began my search for automatic tablet cleaning and polishing equipment. A colleague advised me to first contact the equipment manufacturers. They provide warranty service, drawings, instructions for use, carry out installation, and installation of manufactured equipment. I took his advice. I chose one company online in Italy, which produces pharmaceutical equipment. I visited their website and wrote a letter, in which I indicated the desired parameters and the capabilities of the machine. I did not indicate a specific machine. I wanted to see what they could offer me. A week later, I received the reply that they did not produce such machines specifically, but could design and produce them, if requested by the end of next year. That was too long for us, so I decided to look for other equipment producers. I found a company online from China that produces equipment for cleaning tablets. I called them and asked if they could supply similar equipment with the necessary parameters. They answered that they have such a machine. The manager asked for my phone number and said she would call me back in the evening when she checked with her company engineer about the capabilities of automatic equipment. However, she did not call in the evening. I contacted them the next day. The manager said that she had passed the request on to the design department, and that she would contact me when she got an answer. This seemed strange to me. When do I wait for an answer? How long to wait for an answer? This was not a business-like approach to the customer at all. I refused to look for cleaning and polishing equipment on my own, and then I remembered that at the Forum of Producers of Equipment for the Pharmaceutical Industry in Moscow, I met a specialist who was engaged in selection and supply of equipment for production of medicines. I found his business card, and before contacting him I decided to check whether he really engaged in the supply of machines for the pharmaceutical industry. In order to do this I found his company's website, and carefully studied the information on it. I liked that the website was up to date, with video clips of the equipment, and many contacts for communication. I also noticed that the website had been around since 2003. The company had been on the equipment supply market for a long time, and that is a good reason to say that it was successful. I called the manager. He said he remembered me, and was happy to hear from me again. I told him that I was looking for automatic equipment for cleaning and polishing tablets, and named possible options for tablet polishers. He suggested a horizontal tablet polisher with a capacity of up to 500,000 tablets per hour, for all standard tablet diameters from 5 mm to 20 mm. I agreed to consider it. The manager emailed me the passport and instructions for the equipment. He also offered to perform a turnkey delivery procedure. I liked the proposed variant of the equipment, and I agreed it with the management. A week later we signed a contract for the supply of automatic equipment for cleaning and polishing pills. A month after signing the contract my manager called me, and told me the equipment was ready, and a week later it was delivered. The base of the equipment on supports and rubber rollers, which reduces operating noise and dampens vibrations. The body is made of stainless steel. The main body of the machine is a perforated cylinder with screw guides inside. Once in the cylinder, the pellets move from rotation to the outlet opening. A compressed air spray nozzle is inserted in the middle of the cylinder. The air currents blow the dust off the tablets. Tablets are loaded into the receiving window. The cylinder rotation speed is adjusted. The tablets begin to move toward the outlet. The compressed air actively blows the dust away. The management, including myself, were pleased with the proposed option of automatic equipment for cleaning and polishing tablets. The manager recommended buying a vacuum cleaner to the polisher, to reduce the contamination of the work area of the machine and collect dust. We have already ordered one, and will soon be using the horizontal polisher for all our hygiene needs. I realized that I had made the right choice of a professional to supply the equipment. After talking with a real professional, I became a bit smarter myself, and learned a lot. I am absolutely convinced that a good teacher is one whose words and deeds do not differ. I checked it out on my own experience.